Pagkita natin dun.
Buwan muna ako ngayon ng tea. Cheers!
O, diba? Nagbibildo na ulit.
Croissant. Croissant. Eh, ba yung radish? Undress with me.
Ayan.
Morning!
Yes. Where are you going today?
Today, meron kaming performance sa Sofitel. And ito yung first performance ko for this year, 2024. Ngayon, dahil late ako pumalit. Medyo late, hindi naman super late. Late pa rin. Late ng ilang minutes.
Please justify mo pa.
Ngayon lang ako nag-aayos kasi kanina wala na akong time mag-ayos. Nakapagkulot ako pero hindi ako. Pero may naman mag-ayos.
Ah, nagpagupit ka?
Hindi ako lang magupit nito.
Oh.
Yan,
Just that.
diba?
Yes,
Ngayon
I
mo na
know.
napansin.
Oo.
Hindi mo pansin. Best friend tayo, diba?
Yes. Kasi lagi ka nakatali eh. Ganda, bagay. Say hi sa vlog ni Ten.
I miss going to airport. But few months na lang makakapunta ulit ako there. Because we have planned going to Korea this year for another dance workshop. See you soon, Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
Meron din ganun kasi, yung mag-ano ka ng QR code mo.
Ayoko nagkaroon
Pag-aawayan.
done with my magazine cup here in the van.
Pagkita natin dun.
Weather so nice.
Kumbaga lang.
And ang luwang din ng kalsada, walang traffic.
Ang gawin na ano, to go.
Good morning.
Yes, we're talking about to go and to go. Ano ulit pinag-usapan natin? To go and for here? Parang pinaglalaban si Cara. Walang Starbucks.
Synonym kasi, di ba?
Mga synonym pa talaga?
To go or take out.
Eh, hindi. Ang synonym ng to go is to live.
Ay, naku. Ay, di mali yung grammar ng ano.
To enter. To go out?
To me.
May I go out?
Ito naman to you.
To us. Mga, kaya di ko nga alam kung hindi pa
Mag-class tayo.
FTI lang yung talaga.
Wow! There's Chinese display because it's Chinese New Year din. Oh, we're here in ayun yung stage kung saan kami magpe-perform. Ang liit niya! Now, papunta na kami sa dressing room and me taking a vlog. Dami naman salamin dito. Saan ang aming dressing room? I still don't know. There! So, finally arrived at our dressing room for today. Dito muna kami mag-stay while waiting for our performance time.
Yes. Water or just soda. Thank you.
Wow! Ang bongga naman. May free kaming AM snack. Meron pang fruits and soft drinks. Oh my God! Everyone happy? Woo! So happy.
Okay,
So,
this is our breakfast for today.
meron, ano to? Watermelon, pinya, and papaya.
Nope.
Melon.
Melon amoy.
Let's see what's inside of this style.
It's the bread.
Wow! Meron pa silang pre-novite na teas. Oh my God! May green tea mint tea. I like it. Hello. Buwan muna ako ngayon ng tea. And the flavor na napili ko is green tea.
Okay, so this is for my friend.
Hindi nagpo-focus. Focus ka.
This is your sandwich.
Kamsahamnida. What's inside the wow! So good. I love it. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Sige. Basta, pinakita ko na kanina. It smells so minty. You like mint, right? It's green tea mint. We're coffee.
It's coffee because I'm a coffee person.
Coffee person ka pala. So, yung dugo mo, kape.
Hindi dumadalan sa akin.
I want something a little salty and something sweet. So, dalawa.
Wait, I off ako na rin.
I have two. So, lipat na tayo sa table, guys. Isama ko kayo sa table. Pero hindi pa ako nakapili ng table. Dito na lang. Ayan, nakapili na ako ng spot ko.
Diyan ako na tabi mo, Ten.
Okay. Recording. Back to
Record mine.
Tara dito ka para kasama ka sa video namin.
Dito ka.
Hintay ka ang monkey man.
Dito ka, pero.
Wow, dali mo.
Asan si Ate Mika?
Okay? So,
Saka,
okay. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers sa kape. Cheers.
O, diba? Bibinda namin. Tsaa,
Tsaa.
kape, coke.
Coke?
Nagkape na kami, so coke. Back to coke.
Coke muna.
Actually, hindi pa talaga ako nag-aagahan kasi malilate ako. Yeah.
Sali-sali na lang kayo dito, ha?
I'll do it too. Sarap. Yung sandwich, ah. May problema sa aking camera. Ba't hindi siya nag-focus ngayon?
Ayoko na i-focus. Nga.
This is my breakfast buddies today.
Nakala ko kami yung breakfast mo.
Breakfast? Yeah. Breakfast buddies. So, kamusta naman lasa namin? Kadiri.
10 a.m. daw, rehearsal, 11:30. Basta na doon. Mabilis,
7 minutes to
ang
eat.
ayos.
Oh my God. Now, try naman natin itong croissant. Croissant? 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 Croissant?
Kwakong.
Croissant? Ano ba? Basta ito. Ito tinapay na to.
I'll try to later.
Ha? This is yung, I think this is banana cake. Try naman natin ito.
Guys, ako.
Kaya nga.
Okay. Sarap. Wala, wait lang. Susubo muna ako ng konti pa.
Ito ko lang ko.
Later, I'm gonna eat. But,
Kain ko lang.
Have to prepare na para sa aming black mix. See you in a bit. Already wearing my shoes for today. Performance shoes. So we can practice it this stage. Black model. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ay, may fire extinguishers. Ta-na-na-na-na. Wow! So here's the place. This is, yeah, I remember many years ago, I can't remember when, pero nag-perform kami on that area. I'll just insert picture na nag-perform ako dyan. Now going to the stage for the blocking. Oh, she's my cooking teacher in KCC. And meron ding mga handbook na naka-display here. May mga display. Mga Korean. This is the stage where we are going to perform. So, dito pala kami magpe-perform. Akala ko sa stage. Kasi yung stage sobrang lit eh. Medyo maluwang naman. Okay for 5 person. Rosa is our assistant for today / social media girl. Go Ate Jody. Wow. For the lakad sa stairs. Ang ganda ng stairs niya. Yeah, we're going back now. We're just finished blocking. Now going back to the dressing room. Wow. Yeah. Ouch! Ipit niyo naman ako. Ang sakit. Yan. Okay, we're back and it's time to kain ulit. So mag-tea.
ito yung gusto kayo ng ganun.
Buti warm pa yung tea ko. Yes.
What do you mean? Dito na tayo mag-video.
What do I mean? Nothing. So, ayun. So, yun. Kita-kits na lang later. Pag naka-costume at naka-makeup na kami. Okay. So, we're done na with our makeup and costume. And it's time to perform. Picture muna.
Chubu.
Yan. So, good luck sa aming performance. Yay! We're done na mag-perform. Now, going back to our dressing room. Para mag-change na ulit lang. And maybe eat lunch na rin siguro. Ay, grabe ang gulo ng gamit ko. Kasi kanina nagmamadali kami, so wala na akong time para ayusin to. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko na ayusin kasi mag-lunch na kami. suddenly, undress with me.
Wala pa.
Wala nang picture, ah.
Wala pa rin. Wait lang.
Finally.
Nagbihis ka na, Joby. Hindi lang talaga magbihis na. Parating pa lang.
Mas labot ka used. Okay.
Bihis na kasi ito. Picture pa doon sa labas.
Then, napakadami. Ay, salamat. Nakahinga na rin.
Huwag na magbihis na lang para magbihis na.
You also ordered
Tagal natin nag-ayos, pero ang bilis ng performance.
Ay, eto na. Ay, eto na.
Ba't nagtatuloy ko dahil sa spray net? Break muna tayo sa pag-aayos. Tingnan ko yung television. Tayo.
Bihis na kayo lang.
Important dito kami panoorin.
Wow! Oh my God, there's broccoli at saka I don't know kung ano to, but it looks saucy. Yan. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Broccoli.
I like that picture. Sige na. Tanggalin yung ano. Pinikmata. Nag-ilog pa. I will buy all your t-shirt.
Ba yung radish? Wow, we also got dessert, but I'm so full, so i-take out ko na lang siya. Now, it's time to go
I
back.
will help you with ano na lang.
And yun, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Annyeong.